Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. This video is going to be part of a series featuring cocktails that have historically been noted to have been created in New Orleans. Let's get drinking. This is going to be the Sazerac, the official cocktail of New Orleans. The ingredients you're going to need are going to be rye whiskey. I am using Sazerac rye. An absinthe or some type of anise liqueur. I wasn't really able to find nutritional information on a lot of absinthes, but I did find herbsaint's website. They do list that there are no carbs in it, so we're going to be using herbsaint. Some bitters. Peychauds bitters is called for in the original Sazerac, so we are using Peychauds bitters, another New Orleans ingredient, and of course artificial sweetener instead of the sugar cube. Some of the tools you're going to need is you're going to need a mixing glass. If you don't have a mixing glass, a big mason jar, pint glass works just fine. Mixing spoon, if you don't have one of those, any back of a wooden spoon, a plastic spoon, whatever you got, some type of spoon to stir with. And for garnish, we'll use a lemon peel, and of course, you'll need a vegetable peeler for that. So let's go ahead and get started. In your mixing glass, so the original Sazerac calls for 1 sugar cube. Of course, low carb, we're not doing sugar. So use your favorite artificial sweetener. Stevia, monk fruit, erythritol, xylitol, whatever it is. On hand, I usually keep Splenda. I just like the taste of Splenda better, with the exception of, I do like xylitol and erythritol. But today I have some Splenda. Now for me, in my bar spoon, 1 sugar cube is about a bar spoon and a half in volume. So there's our sweetener. Next, we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of rye whiskey. So we're going to go ahead and get our whiskey, 1.5 ounces. And to that, we're going to be adding our bitters. So at this point, you've really got an old-fashioned whiskey, bitters, sweetener. 3 dashes of your Peychauds bitters. We'll put some ice in here. That filled up, and we're going to have to stir that. I'm going to stir that for about 30 seconds or so. You want to get it nice and diluted, a little chilled. And that's that. Now for the herbsaint, absinthe, Pernod, whatever you're using. In the chilled rocks glass, I'm going to push just a little bit, not a lot, because all you do is you're going to wash it, or call it a rinse or wash. You can just turn that on the side, and it has some spills out, and just kind of get that coated in the glass, and more spilled out. And just get that coated in your glass. And then from there, you can just dump the rest out, because you just want that, just a very minimal that you'll be drinking, but it's mostly there for the aroma. So, speaking of absinthe and herbsaint, if you're not familiar with it, it's got a really strong black licorice flavor and scent to it. So if you don't like black licorice, I would probably not even look at this cocktail if I were you. But if you just want to try something really nice, really good flavor and scent to it, I mean, that's awesome. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour this into our glass. Garnish that with the lemon peel. Now with your lemon peel, the whole point behind this is not just to throw it in there and make it look pretty, but we want to use the lemon oils that are in the skin. So what you want to do is you want to kind of hold it on the top and bottom, and you're going to pinch it. When you pinch it, that's going to express the oils out of the peel, and you would do that in like a swathing motion over the drink, so that'll get on the glass, in the drink. Now, what I like to do also is run that around. Once the oil's broken on the skin, you get a little bit of the oil on the outside of the glass. So you get some of that citrus when you're drinking. And just drop that in. And let's go ahead. Delicious as always. All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching. And if you haven't done already, go ahead and click subscribe, click the little bell icon. You'll be notified as the next video in this series comes out. Again, classic cocktails invented in New Orleans, the Sazerac. Y'all have a good day.